Okay, this video right here is about making circles in the primary arcs you're going to be using in this class, especially at the very beginning of the school year. Okay, so again, you're going to sketch. You're going to tell it where you want to sketch. I'm sketching on the front plane. Easy one, center point circle. How does this work? Also, C is your shortcut on the keyboard. You just click where you want the center of the circle to be. So if I want it to be the center of the front plane, I can just go here and I can just drag it to be as big as I want it to be. So if I want it, but again, let's say I want it to be 5 inches. See how hard it is to kind of make it stop on 5? Like, that's pretty close, but that's not right. But well, if I want it to be exactly 5, it doesn't matter. Let's say I put it here. All you gotta do is press 5 enter after that, and it makes it 5 inches for you, okay? Okay, so that's your center point circle. Next, you have the 3-point circle. So certain times you might not want it to be in the center in a certain spot, but you want the edge of the circles to touch something. So the way I typically do it is I click on the top left of where I want my circle to be, then I take the bottom right, and then I take the bottom left. And then that's usually how I line my circle up. So there's the 3 dots, that dot, and that dot. Based on where all those dots are, it tells the circle where everything is supposed to go. Okay. Then you have your Eclipse tool. Okay, it's under that drop-down menu as well. So it's like the center point circle where you're going to want to give it a center spot, and after you give it a center spot, think of this kind of like something that's oblong. See how the yellow line goes straight up? That means this is going to be perpendicular and straight up vertical line. So, or horizontal right there. Okay, so if I click that, and now I can click again and see how wide I want the circle to be. I mean, sorry, not wide, but just that direction. I believe semi-minor axis around that eclipse. So you click it again, and that would be that. Okay, the primary tool that you guys are going to use at the very beginning of the year is the 3-point arc. You guys will get to the conic and the tangent later in the school year, but for right now, let's just talk about the 3-point arc. Okay, so you literally will just say, I want a dot right here, and I want a dot right here, and then you control how much this moves. Okay. And then you can change the radius of it right here. So that's 2.092 what I put. So what if I wanted it to be 1? Okay, that'd be a radius of 1, so I got smaller. What if I want to make it 4? See how big it went, but it flipped it to the other side. And if I hit front, it centered it for me. Okay, so that is your circles and arc video.